Here's the Viper remote start alarm installed on a 2009 Nissan Rogue. Here's the remote, lock, unlock, remote start. Flashing lights, honking horn, siren. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. I'm going to reach in and unlock it. And for the remote start, we hit the round button. Parking lights flash, the engine cranks. Keys are right here. There's no one sitting inside. Viper remote start alarm installed 2009 Nissan Rogue. Got them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. Now we shut it down. And we'll see you guys on the next one.